Hey guys, Sonic Guy here. Today we'll be playing some Mario and Sonic Olympic Games for the Nintendo DS. So, yeah, let's go. What should you should I play as? Either Mario, and Sonic, Shadow, Blaze, or Vector. By the way, I'm playing Dream Basketball. So, yeah, see how this turns out. Dodge Roper, let's go. Okay then. Guys. It's a very terrible quality. Gotta use my camera phone. So yeah. What's? Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Fail. Fail again. Whee. You gotta be kidding me. You suck. Yes. Dang. Whee. Skidoo. Fail. Whee. Yeah. Let's see once we did it. Yeah. Yeah. Take that because. Whee. Come on, Mario. You can do this. Not really. Chaos control. Chaos control. Chaos control master against me. Still beating him. Huh. Ooh, yeah. Not cursed at all. Ooh, Starman. Where's my Starman? No. Yeah. Super Mushroom from Mario franchise. Yeah, first place. Yeah. Beat that. So yeah, guys. See ya. Have a good day. Oh wait, let's see what medal I got. Yep, first because I'm a boss. Yeah, so there you go. See you guys. Bye-bye.